guys, today I want to talk about the pattern. I just want to give you the little trick that I sometimes use. Okay, before I start, I want to ask you a quick question. Have you guys ever encountered the situation that you wish the pattern is upside down because of your project? Sometimes you knit from top to bottom or vice versa. Okay, sometimes I wish, okay, this pattern is upside down. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so the pattern read from bottom to top, right? So if I knit from top to bottom, this side will be top. But the picture, the pattern is this side will be the bottom because, the pattern read from the bottom, right? So this is looks like a hanging flower, but with my sweater, because of I'm knitting top to down, this is gonna be like a, flower bouquet because it's upside down. You know what I'm saying? So, okay, what am I supposed to do? I'll show you. First of all, you take screenshot. Okay, this is my computer. Okay, and I'll show you how to do the screenshot. You take a picture of this, and the pattern is next page. Sorry. Here, this is the pattern, and you screenshot of this pattern. Okay, and I am going to go my screenshot saver, and this is what I usually do. This is the screenshot I already did, and I am going to crop like this. Okay, and save. Okay, I save like this. Okay, and I am going to go the pattern. Oh, no, this is not the one, the pattern. Okay, I gotta do the screenshot again. So this is the one I have to screenshot. Okay, I just did. So right here, I gotta get rid of this. Oops. And here. Yeah, this one. This is the one, little, the bubble at the end. So I am going to crop. Oops. I think this is the only. Okay, like this. Okay, this is good. Okay, that's good. So close this, right? And I use my Word. Okay, so this is good. So this picture onto Word. Okay, and next this. There you go. So I'm gonna close this, and open. Okay, so you want this pattern upside down. So when I click on this, as you can see, there's little, the frame, right? And here, okay, maybe I'm gonna make it smaller so it's easier to see. Okay, you put your cursor right here like this, and left click and keep left click and go around, then upside down. There we go. So if you knit this way from the bottom, but this is gonna be your top because I'm knitting my sweater from top to down. So this is gonna be hanging flower when I complete the sweater. So I just actually did the upside down. Okay, so here, same thing. Okay, click the picture and cursor right here, and there we go. There you go. Now you have to read. Okay, so this is how you read if you want the pattern upside down. So now you know how to flip the chart. Okay, and this is actually my Pinterest. And as you can see, there's lots and lots and knitting free pattern, right? And if you want to flip upside down, first of all you have to get a chart, okay? And if they only have the written pattern, but if you really want it, you have to actually make the chart, okay? And then flip like that. That'll be easier. Of course, I can just think in my head, and without the chart I can kind of sort it out, but easily you can make a mistake. So the chart flip is the best ideal, okay? If you want to read upside down, you know what I'm saying? And if if the pattern doesn't really matter upside down, you don't really have to worry about it. Just like this, design, it doesn't really matter which side is up and which side is down. However, the pattern like a heart shape, there's the direction you need. Okay, you don't want to have the upside down heart on your sweater, right? You know what I'm saying? Or like an animal design, like there's the really, oh, this one, the owl. Okay, usually the hat knitting from bottom to top, right? So you know what I'm saying? But you want to get this pattern, the owl pattern, for your sweater, and you don't want to knit your sweater from bottom to top. You want to knit, sweater from top to bottom. So what do you have to do? You get that owl, pattern chart, and you do that trick. You know what I'm saying? And one more thing I have to mention, this trick is good for cable design and color work design, okay? But not the lace design. You can do it, but it's gonna be a little bit complicated because, okay, lace pattern, usually lots of yarn over and lots of decreasing, right? Increasing or decreasing, whatever. And upside down, that's a little bit complicated. Okay, so think this trick is good for cable design and color work design. Okay, so you can expand your limit now because you can now use the pattern chart, the other way around. Okay, so I hope you learn something from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye for now. Enjoy knitting.